Israel's rejection of Jesus as the Messiah stems from deep-rooted religious beliefs and historical factors that have shaped Jewish identity for centuries. In Judaism, the Messiah is expected to be a political and military leader who will restore Israel to prominence, usher in an era of peace, and fulfill specific prophecies outlined in the Hebrew Bible. The Iglesia Ni Cristo, INC, with its global reach and focus on biblical teachings, can play a role in helping the Jewish community understand the significance of Jesus according to Christian doctrine. By fostering open dialogue, engaging in evangelical missions, and promoting a deeper understanding of biblical prophecies, INC can present its teachings in a way that resonates with those who are open to exploring different perspectives on Jesus. Through humanitarian work and a message of unity, INC may create opportunities for engagement and understanding, helping bridge religious divides and offering a fresh perspective on Jesus as the fulfillment of God's promises in both the Old and New Testaments. Here are 10 significant actions that the Iglesia Ni Cristo could take to help facilitate Israel's transition from rejecting Jesus Christ to accepting him as the Messiah. 1. Open interfaith dialogue. INC could engage in open, respectful conversations with Jewish religious leaders and communities, focusing on shared beliefs and addressing misconceptions about Jesus. This approach encourages mutual understanding without confrontation. 2. Evangelical missions focused on biblical prophecies. INC could organize specialized evangelical missions that explain how Jesus fulfills. 3. Educational seminars and Bible studies. Offering educational programs that focus on commonalities between Judaism and Christianity, INC can present Jesus in a way that emphasizes his role in the fulfillment of Jewish law and tradition, fostering curiosity and openness. 4. Humanitarian outreach and community building. INC could expand its humanitarian efforts in Israel, providing aid and support in times of need. This action would demonstrate Christ-like love and compassion, which could open hearts and minds to considering Jesus from a new perspective. 5. Promoting peace and reconciliation. By promoting a message of peace and unity that emphasizes Jesus as the Prince of Peace, INC can play a role in reconciliation efforts, showcasing Jesus as a figure of peace rather than conflict. 6. Cultural exchange programs. INC could organize cultural exchanges between members of the church and the Jewish community. By fostering interpersonal relationships, INC members can share their faith in a non-confrontational, relational manner, allowing personal testimonies to resonate. Translation of key biblical materials. INC could translate key biblical materials, such as pamphlets or study guides, into Hebrew and other local languages. This would make the message of Jesus more accessible to Jewish audiences and remove language barriers to understanding. 8. Addressing historical tensions. Through seminars or publications, INC could address the historical tensions between Judaism and Christianity, offering a perspective that seeks to heal the wounds of the past and demonstrate how Jesus' message is about love, not division. 9. Media outreach. INC could use media platforms such as television, radio, and social media to broadcast messages that explain Jesus' role as the Messiah in a manner tailored to Jewish audiences, offering new insights and thoughtful biblical explanations. 10. Building trust through long-term presence. Establishing a long-term presence in Israel with consistent evangelical efforts, community building, and outreach could gradually foster trust and openness to INC's message, allowing for a more organic and gradual acceptance of Jesus Christ as the Messiah. These actions, built on respect, understanding, and shared values, can help create opportunities for the Jewish community to explore the message of Christ while maintaining the cultural and religious sensitivity that is necessary for meaningful dialogue and acceptance.